According to studies, most people in sales would rather be the dead body at a funeral than to be the person standing up front giving the eulogy. People are more afraid of video than they are of dying. So why video? It's the fastest way to build trust and rapport with any human being. Video is the next best thing than actually being there face to face. There is no other medium of communication out there that can deliver this much of authenticity. See, I'm not going to restart that because I tell everyone, have fun with it, show your personality, because we do mess up. Here's a few tips to help you get out of your head and your comfort zone when it comes to recording videos. In a study conducted last year in 2020, 90% of customers said that after watching a product video, they were influenced to make a purchase decision. And what's even more staggering is that 85% said they were influenced to purchase after watching a video. And yes, I know, we all love those follow-up tasks, right? Well, 75% of those late-stage prospects decided to buy after they received a personalized video message. How about them apples? So great news. Video isn't just for prospecting, however, that's super valuable. You can use it to capture attention, to keep deals moving forward, and to even close on new business. How many of you send a personalized quick page where you actually divide up the intro video of yourself and then an actual walk around of the vehicle? You separate those two and you have both, not just the vehicle, but not just you. The first video is you introducing yourself, and then the second video is the walk around. How many of you, raise your hand right now. Hey, Hunter. How many of you do this? I'll wait. Look around the room. Look at each other, hold each other accountable. If you are not sending a personal video of yourself, your face, to show that your tone, your inflection, your voice, your personality, using those hand gestures, not connecting, then you might as well just not do it. Email marketing used to be the thing, right? But now all of our inboxes are full of the junk mail when we know some of it's legit and some of it we're like, I have no idea how they even got my email. So think about that from a shopper's viewpoint.
It looks like you put a lot of time and effort, and you did in the beginning when you created them, but you're able to take that effort and scale it, right? Which is what we want to do. Drop that message into the body of your quick page. Make sure, for the love of everybody, that you personalize it with the customer's information relating to what the quick page is about, and then you can send that out and move on to the next one. Another great feature is being able to share your messages at a later time. So you know how when you open it up, the very top thing, it's nice and green, it says share via quick page, you click on that, and there's the share now and the share later button. So let's say you have appointment confirmation. It's at 11:30 on a Friday afternoon, you've got an appointment for first thing Monday morning. So all you do is you create your appointment confirmation, select email or SMS text if they are approved, hit share later and schedule. You'll get an email when it's sent, and they'll get the email or the text message at whatever time that you're looking for, and that way you can make sure you make the most of it. Everyone will have access to canned messages for appointments, unsold follow-ups, congratulations, birthdays, anniversaries, service appointments, promotions like the Textium that we have with this mailer, the KBB, all of the things that we utilize on a daily basis, and even those special ones, we will create canned messages for you in order for you to utilize. Don't forget to make it fun, you know, instead of like video, Sam, 2021 Toyota Tacoma. Don't make it sound so dentist appointment remindery. Canned messages will save you time in formatting by go ahead and putting those bullet points in there, bolding the text, hitting the italics, dropping any links that are necessary, adding your call to actions. All of those things that take a lot of time and formatting will already have done, and that way, like we said earlier, you drop them in the body of your text. Make sure that that personalized message gets out to every one of your customers.
When it comes to personal videos, everything matters. The length of the video, your title, your message, the information? Did you answer their questions? Did you provide a solution to their problem? Did you offer value? Did you tell them about incentives? Did you ask about their trade? Are you interested? All of this stuff matters in that one quick page, because this is your one shot to convert that lead into a customer, and then that customer into a repeat customer, and then to refer all their friends and family, and so on and so forth. So now I'm gonna ask, who is brave enough to say in the title of your quick page, what are 2 to 3 things that you have to include every single time? I'll wait. Yes, good job. At least I hope y'all got it right, or somebody spoke up. But yes, you want to make sure you put the word video in the very front, because by putting that word, you're gonna get a 67% higher open rate. What does that mean? A 67% chance that they're gonna open it and see what you have to say. Here is where we kind of drop the ball. You have to put their name. This is where personalization is key. They have to know that this is for them. They have to know that you put in the work and the effort. Video, their name, and whatever it is. Is it a walk around? Put the vehicle, put the walk around word. Appointment confirmation, I'm excited to see you. Here's more information. Whatever it is, have fun with it. Include your personality. Don't just make it so boring and stale. Use your title just as we do with subject, right? In an email. You want to put something that's going to grab their attention and make them want to click and make them want to open it. And you do that, video, their name, and what it is. But have fun with it.